Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sunday test number 8 solution. Then first MCQ, the acidic fluid of the accessory gland, accessory reproductive gland या तो prostate gland है, seminal vesicle है, Copper's gland. The duice come accessory fluid di pade के सदी vesiculae enzyme का किस्ता दा seminal vesicle ने release की, hyaluronidases enzyme का किस्ता है दा prostate gland ने release की, fructose home का किस्ता. No, correct option is R. D is the correct option. Next, total number of prostate glands. Seminal vesicle the additional खबर में याद है साथी. Seminal vesicle द्वादी, prostate gland योदे और Copper's gland द्वादी नोदल तो वक्त the total number of prostate glands. So the answer is A1. A option is the correct. One prostate gland. Germ cell line of seminiferous tubule is maintained by dash. Seminiferous tubule के अगर कम सिद्धि च the future sperm production the para germ line या the layer maintains है कि मतलब कि इसमें cell the type A cells था so the book MCQ the type B cell च कम process the spermatogenesis अगर बरकरार हो सकती है sperm तैयार की और type A cell the layer maintain हो सकती for further sperm production. So correct option is A. Type A spermatogonium. Which of the following is not part of the female reproductive system? Female reproductive system की कम यो partner है जो oviductum part थे, ovarium part थे, cervix home part थे. No, correct option is copper glands. The copper glands the bulbourethral gland to the male reproductive system is so correct option is C. Copper's gland is not the part of female reproductive system. Release of egg from the ovarious cartilage. The ovary in a secondary site here immature egg release. The process the several correct option is ovulation. B. Ovulation. Next MCQ, which structure is correctly paired with its function? यानी पुंगियो दसदे चावल correctly the local pair की test is location for egg development the correct zakana which is sperm development, sperm production with the uterus site of fertilization down there is a fertilization for oviduct. So correct option is sperm which transport genetic material. The correct option is D. Sperm transport genetic material of father towards the offspring. The last secondary oocyte is released from ovary at the age of 50. This cycle is called the Chikam last menstrual cycle Razia among several. No, the first ever menstrual cycle the menarche way, and the last menstrual cycle is a menopause. So correct option is B, menopause. Where does fertilization typically occur in the female reproductive system? Already know fallopian tube, that the correct option, the uterine tube, fallopian tube, या दे तो oviduct मुंबई दे वाला same नमूना दे. The correct option is B, fallopian tube. The inner lining of the uterus, outer lining is perimetrium, the middle lining is myometrium, the inner lining is endometrium. So correct option is B, endometrium. What is the average length of the menstrual cycle? So the book will give the average length is 26 to 35 days. So the book number MCQ check. So the book kilo the book मुताबिक 28 days. So correct option is C, 28 days. Menstruation occur due to dash. Menstruation means bleeding. Chakala menstrual cycle end वाले कम bleeding राशि. The female came the other C option is the correct. Shedding of uterine lining. C option. Chikam state of functionality तैयार शी और fertilization होने से ना हो zygote implantation the पार जोड़ेगी. नॉर्मल state of functionality वापस degrade शी और the bleeding या the blood drop को शक्ल के the female ने release शी with the menstruation or shedding of the uterine lining या shedding of the state of functionality or perseveration. No, correct option is C. How is HIV primarily transmitted? Sexual contact bonding through blood transfusion bonding, rest factor, used syringes, used razors, वगैरह the इस्तेमाल वाला correct option is B. R. The endometrium of the uterus is velvety, well vascularized and spongy. Chikala state of functionality No, the uterus cecum endometrium the will vascularizum she velvetum she softum she no da pa kam face ki no da pa pre ovulatory tasu vele she khodar tamam option istemal kar proliferative no tik option desi deta proliferative phase में या deta pre ovulatory phase में और पदे के main cecum hormone responsible denoga estrogen hormone. Which hormone is responsible for stimulating the release of an egg from the ovary in female? अगर कम हार्मोन दी चाहा ovulation trigger कहीं ovulation या release of egg शुरू कहीं no the answer is luteinizing hormone दी देता multiple birth hormone हुआ है बोले जैसे चिता ज़्यादा भी no number of ovulation ज़्यादा भी या number of release of egg ज़्यादा भी वो जो सुमरा number of egg ज़्यादा भी नाता number of zygote जो number of zygote ज़्यादा भी देता multiple birth हो या twin birth हो no का MCQ वाला जो कम हार्मोन तो multiple birth hormone again the answer is LH luteinizing hormone तो ये mechanism आप classes के ताश तक कर चुका एक दो दूसरे वजह से release की the rupturing of Graafian follicle के ऊपर Graafian follicle के secondary oocyte के और the secondary oocyte release the ovulation. Next MCQ दे number 15. Creationism generally support which of the following ideas? Creationism means naturalist concept. Chadaगे प्रबारे के Aristotle होंगे कि theory of special creation. तदे main theme सदे main मर्कज़ी ख्याल सदे no C option correct है. Life was created by a divine being. यानी जो हर सब पैदा करी दा यो supernatural force पैदा करी यानी मो simply वो अल्लाह पैदा करी in its current form. जो संग मख्य exactly हम आवश्यंगा नन हम मौजूदी मतलब दा fixity of species वाली belief करी मतलब दुनिया पर मुताबिक evolution तो दुनिया की निश्ता तो correct option is C. यानी life was created by a divine being in its current form. निकाल के correct option मतलब species बाद वो सारा change की बिना evolution नहीं की Lamarckism emphasizes dash. Lamarckism का सब आंदे mainly based on inheritance of acquired characteristics. Inheritance of acquired characteristics. Which of the following is not a part of the Lamarck theory? Come you he said as Lamarck theory के नाराज़ natural selection जगह natural selection दा Darwinism देनो बाकी inner need या desires inheritance of acquired character use and disuse the main umbid ऊपर Lamarck के main properties the main postulates दी. In Darwin theory, the struggle for existence means, but Darwin theory के struggle for existence तो है no competition तो है competition between organisms the set for limited resources. The correct option is according to Darwin, evolution is dash. Evolution come your process, the slow process, the gradual process, the over the generation. So correct option is B. The slow process and the gradual process and from generation to generation changes accumulate the adaptation accumulates the then species easy secretory phase of the menstrual cycle secretory phase post ovulatory phase secretory phase या post ovulatory phase the cycle is correspond with the luteal phase of the ovarian cycle मुझे कल पर detail दा वेलो पर क्लास के और ovary के वर्त luteal phase रवानी यानी कार्पस luteum formation शोलाम दे वर्त correspondingly secretory phase या post ovulatory phase रवानी जगह चेपर secretory phase के progesterone पकार दे और progesterone दा पर कार्पस luteum जोड़े दे पकार दो कार्पस luteum पर luteal phase की जोड़ी के नंबर ज़ाहिर खबर है और ovary के luteal phase और uterus के secretory phase that body will correspondingly so correct option is D. Male hormone androgenia testosterone are produced in the dash. Male hormone androgenia testosterone चलते पैदा की गई लेडेक से पैदा की so correct option is C. Interstitial cells of लेडेक यानी C. Which of the following is incorrectly paired with its function? Cum yo pair the selecha incorrectly paired. No C or B option is correct. Prostate gland secretion of testosterone होता गलत pair है. Testosterone खुसूस मंगोल the लेडेक cell release की the prostate gland seminal fluid release की correct pair है. embryo implantation takes place in uterus dash. Implantation चलता कि implantation पर endometrium की process मंगोली. So correct option is C, endometrium. Sign of tertiary syphilis. Primary syphilis के Schenker या Schenkri formation की primary की. पर secondary के blisters या pink rash all over the body rash. और tertiary syphilis की goma formation की. Correct option is goma. So D, goma formation. Benign tumors the jodi or the tertiary syphilis. Syphilis is caused by syphilis the channel the bacterial sexually transmitted disease the treponema pallidum bacterium correct option is A, bacteria. Main cause of sterility in men. Male sterile की main वजह से A option oligospermia चिकल sperm production कम शी मदाम की दिशी azoospermia चिकल sperm production मुकम्मल ख़त्म शी और varicocele अगर condition दे चिकल varicose vein formation शी या abnormal swelling of veins शी around the testes चदागे वजना testes heat up शी sperm production ख़त्म शी तो द्रे वाला condition होंगी so correct option is D, R. Next day, 27 number MCQ. 27. Next day, ovulation occur in human female on dash. Ovulation या release of egg कल की mid of the menstrual cycle की स्टार्ट होता book पर मुताबिक 28 day menstrual cycle the mid है 48 days. So correct option is C. यानी पर 14th day बांधे. बल the ovulation day कथा सुमालूम हुए न लदे का आसान फार्मूला में करेगा. Total days just sumram दिया कि -14 is equal to ovulation day. बजाय आसान बाकी लदे proof होता किसी बलक्षण स्टासो टाइम्स है कि वो कलर पर टेस्ट करा वालों दा फार्मूला कथा सुतों है जो menstrual cycle दूमरा वर्ष है suppose के no day of ovulation पर कम अभी न बच्चे सुमरा days इन दर करी 14 के minus का चे सुमरा शिदा day of ovulation बना आसान फार्मूला पदे बादे हम सीखो 10 पदे का संशय. Progesterone is produced by dash. Already मुंगुलो progesterone दादा कार्पस luteum में छोड़ी release की गई. Correct option is C. कार्पस luteum phase के दादा छोड़ी की पूरी की. Major hormone progesterone दे कभी आप वो एक bulk secretion में minor hormone estrogen home release की. Menstrual cycle in lactating mother is inhibited by dash. चकला morph पर बच्ची तक पे वर्क lactating mother. No पति के दा menstrual cycle वाले नाराज़ है. Correct option is hypersecretion of prolactin hormone. So correct option is D, prolactin hormone. Which of the following structure is released during the ovulation? चकला ovulation की किससे release की? डेढ़ खाला कोई egg release की मशहूर खबर दा खबर पदे के तवारे चिया से कंजोसाइट release की गया पदे के immature egg नलता B option correct is secondary oocyte. The ruptured follicle cells forms which of the following structure? चकला graphical follicle push लिखी ना the remaining ruptured follicle से तक conversion बार-बार राजी कार्पस luteum तक conversion. So correct option is C, carpus luteum. Urinogenital duct in humans stand for dash. और male के मुंग urinogenital duct चाहता हुआ no the urethra is male urination. Correct option is B. और मुंग के चक्कर में urethra देना germinal fluidum release की seminal fluid या semen चावल का मुंग हुआ और पदे वाली urinum release की करो the देवजन समूह the main urethra तकेशी urinogenital duct पर तकेशी. Next day 34 number MCQ. Leydig cells या interstitial cells of testes produce testosterone under the influence of pituitary dash. यानी the pituitary gland ना कम हार्मोन जैसी चाहा Leydig cell activate की और Leydig cell में testosterone release किस तरह से तो book MCQ है LH hormone luteinizing hormone activate की. The end or complete stop of menstrual cycle already मंगूल menopause. चकला last menstrual cycle पर female rush at the age of 50. बाकी menstrual cycle पे ना रज़ नोदा menopause condition है. Neisseria gonorrhea by nature से नोदा Neisseria gonorrhea sexually transmitted disease का स्की gonorrhea होता है. बदे के penis affection, vagina affection नोदा by nature से correct option is A, the bacteria. Syphilism د بکټیریا نه لري، ګونوریا د بکټیریا نه لري. pick the mismatched pair. کم یو پیر داسې دی چې هغه په خپلو کې نه میچ کېږي. نو کریکټ آپشن از سی. interstitial cells یا لیډک cells release semen. نو دا غلط دی ځکه چې semen دا چې کله sperm او accessory fluids راوځي شي د دې تمام درې gland fluids نو دې ته موږ semen وایو. interstitial cells دا testosterone release کوي، semen نه release کوي. کریکټ آپشن از سی. دا mismatched pair دی. The one that stimulate the reverse peristalsis in the uterus. په میل سیمن کې هغه کم یو کیمیکل دی چې په فیمیل کې په ریپروډکټیو ټریکټ کې ورته انټي پیرسټالسس یا ریورس پیرسټالسس شروع کړي، د هغې په مدد سره سپم اوویډکټ ته لاړ شي او د هغې نه بعد فرټیلایزیشن وشي. کم کیمیکل داسې دي. کریکټ آپشن از بی پروسټاګلینډین. پروسټاګلینډین پروموټ ریورس پیرسټالسس. The strongest support to organic evolution come from the study of dish. موږ څه داسې سټډي کو چې موږ ته بیخي پکا ثبوت میلاو شي چې organic evolution په دنیا کې شته دی. نو the answer is fossils. د fossils د وجې نه موږ ته ډېر کلیر کټ ثبوت میلاویږي چې په دنیا کې evolution شوی دی. لکه که موږ وګورو زموږ ټیل بون دا د نور انیمل سره میچ کوي، نو د دې دا مطلب شو چې په څه ټایم کې په انسان کې ټیل موجود یا د چې کوم سنیکس دي د هغوی پیلویک ګرډل د خپو هغه ریمینز موجود دي. نو د دې نه هم دا یو ثبوت راتلی شي چې په څه وخت کې د مار مخ پیلویک. نو کریکټ یا بهترین ثبوت چې موږ ته میلاویږي هغه د فوزلز نه میلاویږي. 40 نمبر MCQ دی. mammals originate from dish. mammal د چا نه originate شي؟ کریکټ آپشن از سی د reptile نه، او دا یو خاص انیمل وغیره نه و. په دې کې د دې ثبوت کتل شوی دی چې انسان د reptiles نه یا mammals دا د reptiles نه originate شي. The era commonly called the age of reptiles. کومه era داسې ده په دنیا کې شپږ مین era دي. Azoic era, Proterozoic era, Archaeozoic era, Paleozoic era, Mesozoic era, Cenozoic era. کوم era داسې ده چې هغې ته موږ era of reptiles وایي چې چېرته ډایناسور په دنیا کې راغلی. کریکټ آپشن از A. Mesozoic era. Cenozoic era دا د mammals era ده. موږ Cenozoic era یو او reptiles دا Mesozoic era دی. په Paleozoic era کې marine animal په دنیا کې راغلی. The theory which explained the origin of eukaryote from prokaryotes. دوه تیورۍ موږ ویلې وې. یو membrane invagination theory دا یو endosymbiosis. دلته یو کړی ده. سو کریکټ آپشن از B. endosymbiosis. په دې باندې eukaryote دا originate شوی د prokaryote. A change in environment which result in the diversification of species into multitude of forms. کچره environmental change راغلو او په یو ancestor کې بار بار نوې نوې changes راتلو، نوې نوې species جوړېدو. په دې phenomena ته څه وایي؟ نو دې ته موږ وایو divergent evolution. And divergent evolution is also called adaptive radiation. So correct option is B. Adaptive radiation या divergent evolution. So one single ancestor multiple species ته convert شي due to change in environment. نو دا موږ سره adaptive radiation شو یا divergent evolution شو. The theory of catastrophism was formulated by Dash. The chart based for the book MCQ the no George Cuvier. B option is the correct. George Cuvier. Which of the following theory of evolution can best explain vestigial organ? Vestigial organ या comparative anatomy the best for come your concept के मंगवा. The correct option is B. Lamarckism के नाम मंगवा. Lamarckism the vestigial organ या comparative anatomy के best मानते हैं. यानी ancestor of the present animal compare کوم البته تاسو کله کانسپټ وګورئ ما په ډیټیل ویلو چې په ancestor کې limbs په snakes کې په descendant کې نشته دا شان چې کوم د human ancestor دا وو ټیلز خو په present human کې نشته. نو په دې کې موږ vestigial organ دا وو comparative anatomy موږ the correct option B. Lamarckism. The theory of recapitulation states that the embryological development of a species repeats a dish. Embryological history موږ سره theory of recapitulation دا وایي چې هر یو د present day animal دا به د ancestor والا history repeat کوي. یعنی چې زموږ ancestor و هغه هم د zygote stage نه پاس کېدل، د مرولا سټیج نه، بلاستوسیس سټیج نه، ګیسټرولا نه، چې کوم د present day animal دي دا هم دغه same stages نه پاس کېږي. نو مطلب د دې په مطابق موږ څه repeat کوو؟ correct option is evolutionary history موږ repeat کوو. نو مطلب موږ د خپل انسیسټر یا د ابا او اجداد هغه سیم سټیپ دوباره ریپیټ کوو. دې ته وایي theory of recapitulation. Who stated that the traits acquired by a parent during their lifetime could pass on to their offspring? چا ویلو نو inheritance of acquired character phenomena دا ویلو Lamarck. Correct option is B. Lamarck. The process of organic evolution is dash. چې کوم organic evolution یا evolution کېږي نو دا process څنګه رواني په continuous څنګه رواني یعنی د یو نسل نه بل چیز درومي د بل نه بل درومي خو دا یکدم نه کېږي دا به slow رواني. نو correct option is A. 48 کې راځي A یعنی continuous به وي and slow به وي. Darwin finches are found in dash. Darwin په کوم ځای کې دا کتلي په ګالاپاګو آیلینډ باندې کتلي. So correct option is D. Galapagos Island. Homologous organs are those which are homologous organs moga veto which origin structure वगैरह same हो function बदल you know similar in origin structure but different in functions. So correct option is B. Four limbs of man and wings of birds. That's the most of the homologous organ. Correct option is B. Well is that zamung four limbs or the bird's wings. The origin या चिकम structure the nowadays या similar to function बदल the mun grasping को पकड़ना लासुमा बांधे हुए पे flying के तो हम उस which structure similarity or the function dissimilarity अदे तो homologous structure the homologous organ. So correct option is B. Who proposed the idea ladder of nature? Ladder of nature Aristotle पेश करे. So correct option is it's the ladder of nature or fixity of species or creationism or theory of spatial creation. मतलब कि change बना राजी चसाला पैदा करी थी कोमा वज़ीबा fix करते हुए. The idea पेश करेगा Aristotle. Living organisms have a tendency to continuously increase in size. दा कम concept के दा जुगला fit की भी चाहर organism कोशिश की चाहा बेहतरीन तरफ वांशी. No correct option is Lamarckism. دا Lamarckism مونږ وایي چې د هر یو انیمل دا یو ټینډنسي ده چې هغه د وخت سره ځان بهترین جوړ کړي لکه څنګه جراف زرافه په سټارټ کې د شارټ نیک والو شارټ فور لمز خو بیا د وخت سره دوی ته ضرورت راغله چې مونږ نیکم لونګ کو فور لمزم لونګ کو چې مونږ لري لري پانو ته ځان ورسوو. نو دا د وخت سره د انکریز ان سایز چې راغله دا اکارډنګ ټو Lamarckism. The tendency to increase in size is Lamarckism. Who proposed the word survival of the fittest is a concept chapish karo. Natural selection was the Darwin will there the same phenomena the survival of the fittest chapish Herbert Spencer. So correct option is D. Herbert Spencer. Lamarckism is wrong in principle of dash. Lamarckism who concept है खुदा गलत शब्द है उच्चार गलत कर the answer is genetics. In principle of genetics दा गलत है acquired character न transfer की को बदे बने जान ला ये experiment मदद दे तो August Weismann पर माइस के लके कट करे भी दा वही पर मैं schematic को कुछ कम नए generation के बच्ची पैदा शुरू अब हम सेम लके यानी पर loss of tail no share मतलब check acquired character न transfer की issue. So Lamarckism is wrong in principle of genetics. Next MCQ the no vestige of beginning and no prospect of end. न दुनिया की इब्तिदा की कोई निशानी है ना दुनिया की इंतहा की कोई निशानी है. मतलब दुनिया कलर छोड़ दो कलर खत्मी की दा और चिकम past destruction due to मख के बच्चे कम destruction या catastrophe रातलू presently बम दाई मतलब जो दुनिया खत्मी दुन के अंदर दा अर्थ इज इटर्नल दा concept कम concept. So correct option is C. Uniformitarianism. Homology explain dash evolution already mongulo homology da mongsara divergent evolution explain ke analogy da mongsara convergent evolution. Homology da वही कलम structure same similarity की origin similar भी खूब function की change है ना दा homology शायद तम homologous organs वे homologous organ अलग जोड़े के कलम same ancestor different environment exposure नवे species जोड़े और which is same ancestor view or species के लेयर जोड़े ना तम divergent evolution को नो homology जो कम जेके मराजी अल्तबा divergent evolution which analogy da was extras level analogy chatta vino altaba convergent evolution. The word Galapagos means dash Galapagos island but the Galapagos word some matlab the correct option is B. Tortoise. Data tortoise islander whale. Speciation and Darwinism concept is mainly based on isolation. According to Darwin, ممكن ده isolation راولو ده دو member تميز كي أغلب نوع species مونغرافي. The correct option is E, geographic isolation. Geographic isolation means كمان environmental change راوس. तो يوم environment तो लेगा बल environment मतलब geographic करें ده बल जुदा हो ना अगलग नوع species जो है. So correct option is geographic isolation. Struggle for existence mainly occur by race. Struggle for existence means competition. A competition mainly pursued the requirement. You intra-specific, you inter-specific, or you extra-specific. So correct option is C. 3 times. Red fox or cat fox, that is the book na example rahas to the come you evolution show. Divergent or convergent. You know mahastan. Red fox or cat fox. But at the same system na ravali. Serve the red fox. Farmlands के लिए आम ज़माका बांधे या आम पटो के दे evolution शरीर देवा चक्कम kit fox के नावा through desert environment शरीर देना मतलब environment change होगा कि ancestor same हो तो क्या देता है मुझसे वो divergent evolution. So correct option is A, divergent evolution. Most common form of speciation तो दुनिया के mainly चक्कम gut types के speciation होगा 3 allopatric दे sympatric or parapatric. You know, was too much that they are geographic isolation. No, the allopatric, they come Darwin Sulu. Our culture reproductive isolation, no, sympatric. Our culture temporal isolation, no, behavioral isolation, no, parapatric. But too much here. But totally, the total common speciation are allopatric. B, allopatric. They are told on a camp of dunya ke parapatric. Then was the real future the Syrian by speciation properly stars of syllabus can never mention which yard with that allopatric most common, parapatric least common. Allopatric the geographic isolation the generalization the points that are sympatric the reproductive isolation the generalization parapatric the temporally the behavioral isolation the generalization. Dumra was word and yard. 63 to cactus or euphorbia, water plant, the desert plant, that come your speciation show, come your evolution show. The correct option is A, convergent evolution. So the God of a man's get a similarity. For the days that similar show within the last came, the do ancestor common environment exposure, which when an ancestor or same environment exposure, the data moon convergent evolution, the convergent evolution show. Genetic drift is mainly due to dash. Genetic drift से तो एक changes in gene frequency. चकला पर gene frequency के change राशि. चकला दे gene पर repetition के change राशि. चकला पर मुंह के through genes variation राशि देते genetic drift है. Now founder effective रावली bottleneck defective रावली. Founder effect देता है चकला यो population था नवी member मुंह 8 को. मतलब नवी member 8 को automatically नवी genes पर 8 शी. The gene frequency के बाद change राशि और कभी वो population हम से किसान through natural disaster खत्म हो रहा through earthquake through floods और some member पर the population the कम शुरू से genes पर the population ने delete शी the dark gene frequency change रहा है और chromosomal mutation so correct option is D. The unrolling or unfolding phenomenon unrolling or unfolding phenomenon evolution so the book MCQ is the correct option is C, evolution. Ascorbic acid is the secretion of dash accessory gland. Accessory reproductive gland mungulu seminal vesicle the prostate the ovaries. So the ascorbic acid your vitamin C the channel release so correct option is C, seminal vesicle release. Analogous structure of penis in female. The male penis or the day analogous structure. The female is the correct option is clitoris. Female sensitizing tissue. The female sexual excitation. The female clitoris or the male penis the yoga analogous. Mild rash all over the body. Also slow a shankly jolt shankar formation of primary syphilis. और तमाम बॉडी वाले माइल्ड रश का उदाहरण वाले ऑल ओवर द बॉडी द सेकेंडरी syphilis so correct option is B, secondary syphilis. The most probable day of ovulation in 20 days menstrual cycle already we point so menstrual cycle 20 days 20 days ma ovulation 14 minus the correct option is 6th day نو چیرا 6 day is the correct option so C چې total days درکړي 40 days the minus 1 glandular state of functional maintenance is mainly dependent on dash یو دا self state of functional جوړېدل هغه په pre ovulatory phase کې کیږي خو بیا glandular state of functional کې coiled arteries جوړ شي ما په ډایګرام شو کړو تاسو ته چې کله coiled arteries پکې جوړ شي او perfectly well vascularized شي دته موږ glandular state of functional دا په post ovulatory phase کې جوړیږي او د دې لپاره مین هارمون کمی دي already موږ ویلو په post ovulatory phase کې progesterone راځي ځکه چې post ovulatory phase کې بره په اوري کې ورته luteal phase روانه په luteal phase کې کارپس luteum جوړیږي کارپس luteum progesterone ریلیز کوي دا ټول سره تړلې MCQ دي چې په یوم خزان کې په هغه باندې باقاعده کوي نو glandular state of functional maintenance دا په progesterone باندې ډیپندنت post ovulatory phase lasts for about days total days دی 28 په دې کې pre ovulatory 11 दिन د دالس لکه post ovulatory په 12 दिन نو correct option is B 12 दिन او بیا په menstruation یا bleeding phase 5 days نو 11 12 او 5 total charge को टाइम्स approximate number of seminiferous tubule per testis तो यो टेस्ट के 300 या 250 लोब्यूल्स तो हर यो लोब्यूल के 1 to 4 seminiferous tubule नो च एवरेज नंबर हम ले हो बस दा तकरीबन 900 so correct option is C the optimum temperature for sperm development 34 of the 34 निश्चित 35 so correct option is B 35 degrees centigrade mucus or alkaline fluid secretion is the characteristic of ratio mucus or alkaline fluid secretion that the channel developable bulbar gland tigre for that the copper gland work no correct option is B copper gland the longest and highly coiled male reproductive tubule the total ugar tubule या reproductive tubule for male के कम होना epididymis the total is या length is highly coiled so correct option is A epididymis 76 MCQ the very first menstrual cycle already will experienced by a youngest girl is called menarche या menarche so correct option is B first menstrual cycle menarche last menstrual cycle menopause proliferative phase या already वर्तुल is also called already बार मौजूद है pre ovulatory phase so correct option is A sperm cells are produced in which part of the testis पर testis के को जोड़ेगा पर testis के चलते जोड़ेगी ना through diagram वाला तासो का शो करो sperm cells दा जोड़ेगी पर seminiferous tubule so correct option is C what is the function of prostate gland से produce sperm no store sperm no produce testosterone no produces seminal fluid मतलब कि correct option seminal fluid release where does sperm mature and become motile becomes a store she motile she mature she correct option is epididymis is the most probable area so correct option is C what is the function of seminal vesicle the seminal vesicle functions they produce fructose yes produce prostaglandin yes produce citric acid so correct option is D the MCQ where does sperm mature and become motile the day that the MCQ के द्वारा option टिकती है epididymis के अंदर की plus up to some extent चक्कर the 3 times या तो शिव पर seminiferous tubule के अंदर सना sperm maturity तरह सना seminiferous tubule अंदर तो और epididymis को कभी यो तो क्या नहीं नो epididymis का select है तो दाव सब टेस्ट नंबर 1 hopefully जो तो सब खबर करें अल्लाह का